Hi everybody and welcome back to Love's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a dessert that I had a dream about. I have dreams about food. I don't know why, but it usually turns out really good. So this is what I dreamt. Today I'm going to make apple turnovers. This is caramel apple pie filling. You can get it at the store in the aisle where the sugar and all that stuff is. I have flaky jumbo biscuits. You can get any brand. This is Stater Brothers brand, but what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to flatten them out, fill it with the pie filling, and then I'm going to coat it with a mixture of butter, chopped up pecans that I hit with a hammer too because they're already chopped, but I like them really fine. So I hit them with a hammer in the bag before I put them in the bowl. Brown sugar and cinnamon. I also use non-stick Reynolds wrap because otherwise they stick to the pan. This way they will not stick. This stuff, the non-stick foil, you can't even fold it over a bowl. It just keeps folding back out because it doesn't stick to anything. So it's really good. So here we go. I'm going to open these biscuits and I'm probably going to scream after I do it because I hate doing this. Okay, here it goes. Okay. All right. I'm almost there. Here it goes. Okay. Ah! I hate that. I need to make my dad do it. When my dad comes over for Thanksgiving and Christmas, that's his job. I make him do it. Okay, so there's 8 in here, so I'm going to put 4 on each thing. Only because I like to give them lots of room because I'm going to spread them out and make them a lot bigger than what they look like here. Okay, so this is how I do it. Just start pressing, 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 pressing. You don't want holes all the way through, but you want to make them as flat as you can. Okay, is that the next thing? Oh, here we go. Take a little bit of this mixture, put it in there. Oops, come on, you want to come out, don't you? Don't you? Yep, right there. Then you want to fold it over and pinch the sides. There you go. Do another one. Okay. I don't know if that's too much. It might be a little too much here. There. Okay, I'm going to pinch the sides. They could be a little messy. It doesn't matter because it's all going to stay in there and cook up together anyway. Okay, and then I put this mixture on the top. Now it has butter in it, so it's a little sticky, which is good. But you just put it over the top like that. As much as you want. And then I'm going to bake them. I got the oven on 350, and that's the temperature that's called for the biscuits, but because of all the stuff inside, it takes them a little longer, so I usually do a minute or 2 longer than the directions say, which on this one is going to be about 13 to 15 minutes, so I'll do it like 17 minutes. Okay? You could probably do them all on one tray, but I like to give them room. I like to give them room to cook. So I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom. And like halfway through, I'll put it on like 8 minutes. Time it for 8 minutes. And then I'm going to switch them. Because even when I bake cookies, I like to switch them because the bottoms get too dark on the bottom ones. Yeah. And the tops get too dark on the top one. Right. So if I switch them, then they have time to cook evenly on both sides. So they're going to cook for a few minutes and we'll see. Okay, so they've been in there almost 8 minutes. I'm going to switch the trays to almost fluffy. Now I'm going to time them another 8 minutes and we'll see what they look like. Check them. Oh, I think they need another minute or 2. See how white they still are? I like them to be really brown. So I'm going to leave them in another minute. Another minute and see how they look. I put them in for 19 minutes. It ended up being 19 minutes, and that's about right. It makes them a little more golden brown. You can see the brown around the edges. And if it's not like that, they're kind of doughy. So I like to make sure that they get all the way done. Now I'm gonna plate it, and we're gonna eat it. Hey everybody, let's try it.
So good.
Thank you guys for coming to my show. Sorry, I can't help it. So, yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love Equals Love, Love's Kitchen. LoveEqualsLove.org is my main page and shows you everything, my blogs, my kitchen, my store. Spread the word about the store because there's all kinds of nice stuff in there with my logo on it. And then we will see you next time. Thank you for coming. Bye.